Hello everyone. There's some mobile mix. So hello everyone. Toyosi is actually my friend and my sister, and Toyosi is married to Etim. And you all know that Toyosi is very supportive of her husband. Well, me, Nick Parafui, I've been in the industry for 24 years. Mo ti wo film, mo fi Ọlọ́run ṣẹ̀rí mi ìsunkún rí, mi ìrẹ́rìn rí, mi ò feel báyìí rí. No, Daniel Etim tìyàwó. That movie is a hit. Guys, we are going out in the masses. I'm not joking. The movie is coming out on the 17th. Saturday, that's Friday, 17th. 18th is Saturday. Sunday, trust me, meet me in Ikeja from 1 p.m. I'm doing meet and greet and I'm giving out 100 tickets. Trust me, guys. I've met me Oshere. I've been coming to IMAX for every movie. This is like the first time I would stay from beginning to the end. This is a movie. And everybody that is in that movie, trust me, they are mad. No, what's Yahweh, acting. It's very extremely realistic. So please, let's go out and support good movies, please. Then don't forget, Sunday, meet me at Silverbird, Ikeja. By 1 p.m. 100 tickets, free 100 tickets. Daniel, we don't have flour to give you, but when I get home, I'll tell my husband so I can give you that. You see, Deyemi, in real life, he will not borrow you money. Even in film, he did not borrow money.
This light is bad. The light is bad.
Give them space. Hello?
This light is bad. The light is bad.
Give them space.
One of the best wife I've ever seen in my life.
Ní wọlé o.
Everyone Gedu.
Hello guys, please let's make our way to the cinema. Let's make our way to the screen. The IMAX screen, please. The movie is about to start. Please let's go in. Let's go get seated, please. Thank you very much.
How do you feel being on the black carpet for this particular film tonight?
I'm really excited. I'm also very nervous. It's my first film. So I'm hoping people embrace it. I'm hoping people love it as much as I love it. It's an audacious move for me.
Yes.
And I'm praying that people learn to be more audacious and run towards their fear rather than run away from it. It's a flurry of different emotions for me tonight. I'm hoping I don't cry at some point, but I really feel privileged.
I am super excited about tonight, and it brings me to asking you, do you think that this film might have been triggered by some of your experiences before you came into the limelight?
Absolutely. As storytellers, we tell stories that are interwoven with our own experiences. There's no escaping it. You cannot tell a story in isolation. You tell it through a lens, and your lens are created by your own experiences. So I've told this story because of the things I've gone through in my life, and I'm hoping that it would be entertaining and be a blessing to people.
I hope it's definitely going to be a blessing. Now, talking about our society, because of how it is when people tell stories about societal decade, how we take it in our own society. Do you think there might eventually be some backlash from powers that be, if you know what I mean?
The truth is, especially in the age we find ourselves and the country we find ourselves, you really cannot make a statement without people having opinions. No matter how you look at it, if it's a good statement, people will be like, "Oh, what do you feel? Why are you feeling? Are you God? Why are you feeling too good?" If it's a bad statement, "Oh, are you the devil? Why are you so bad?" But I think we must just be true to ourselves and tell stories that we really believe in, and the rest will take care of itself. Really.
All right. Okay, so speaking about the movie The Hearst tonight, what are you looking to see tonight?
It's an array of beautiful actors, smiling. I just want to leave feeling happy that the Nigerian work is going farther than we expect. So I'm really glad. I'm happy with the kind of people I'm seeing, the organization, everything is on point. Oh my God, this is Daniel Etim, what we're talking about.
Okay, so speaking about the industry, you've been here long enough. What do you think about the future of the industry?
Really? I have a son who is studying theater arts. What are you talking about?
Okay.
That's the future, girl. That's the future. This is the oil. This is the oil. I'm telling you. That crude we're talking about, this is it. We just need to invest a lot more on it. We have a lot of youths who do things in skits and stuff. It all culminates into creativity. So it shows you that Nigerians are very highly, exceptionally creative people. We make little of very difficult things. And I just think what we need now is the right room, preparing the right place for us to go to the next level. We need a lot of treaties. I mean, we can collaborate Chinese, Irish, good, strong industries abroad. I think we should start looking into doing such kind of collaborations. They need to understand Africa more. We need to get to understand their expertise in terms of their technical work. We need to get there. We're almost there, though.
Yes, we're almost there.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about the movie one more time and we are done. We're talking about the Hearst, and we understand the issues that we face as Nigerians in Nigeria. What part of the film do you think Nigerians will relate to the most?
So I haven't seen the Hearst. And
The trailer?
I haven't seen the trailer as well. I decided to just chill and come enjoy myself. I mean, Daniel is there, Kunle Remi is there. What we're talking about? It's a Daniel Remi film, man. I don't want to curse. So good, let's keep it going.
Part of the film, based on the trailer that you have seen, do you think Nigerians will relate to the most?
I think just about everything. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so speaking about the Hearst, words, the security of Nigeria, in Nigeria. We're talking about whether we like it or not, directly or indirectly, it would affect the government, the politicians, and generally as Nigerians. I want you to tell me you're a politician without telling me you're a politician. Sell an agenda to me. Tell me you want to come and solve the herdsmen problem in Nigeria. I'm speaking to an actor, so what, you can do anything, right?
Okay,
so
yeah.
just sell me an agenda. Tell me you're a politician without telling me you're a politician.
Okay, so looking at the insecurity in the country, it's quite appalling that a nation like this, a country as big as Nigeria, is experiencing such predicament. I think I'll be in a better position to... Oh my God. I'm sorry.
I'm actually liking it.
Okay.
I'm actually liking it.
I think young people like us, I think it's time young people like us got involved in politics. I feel like when young people like us are involved, there'll be great changes, drastic positive changes in the government and the nation at large.
I like the change of the voice. The change in the voice was giving. Yes, it's time for business. Want to do business.
Daniel said that I can't act to save my life. Daniel said I'm useless. Okay, no. I wasn't in the country.
All right. Now speaking about, have you seen the trailer?
Of course I have.
Now speaking about the trailer, what part of the film do you think Nigerians will relate to the most?
Weddings, first of all, weddings. But also we are all aware of the sad state of security in the nation, and with the herdsmen and these kidnappings on the express is a very popular thing. So I think it's about time we focus on it and solve what. How will you speak English? And then basically just seeing that in the film, hopefully draw more attention from the government to that, and hopefully we can resolve it in the years to come.
I like when you mentioned the government. Now, speaking about our societal issues, it's a bit difficult speaking about it because we know how it gets. Do you think that this movie might eventually get some kind of backlash from powers that be, considering the expose in the film?
I don't think it will. It's like making a film about COVID. It happened. It's an occurrence. It doesn't mean that.
But you know, COVID is different, though.
No. So it's like making a film about theft or bribing policemen.
Okay.
We're not saying that every policeman is a bad policeman and collects bribes, but they happen. So instead of chastising, it's about what can we do to come together and fix it. And just because we talk about it doesn't mean that Nigeria is a bad country. You know what I'm saying? Like you look at, like, I always say this, South Africa. There's high crime rates in like Joburg and certain places, but it's still a beautiful country to visit. Cape Town is amazing. Durban is chill. So let's not let one bad apple destroy the entire tree. But does that mean that we'll not talk about the bad apple? No, we have to.
I like the way you went about it. That was the last one, and then I let you go. Tell me you're a politician without telling me you're a politician. We're speaking about a movie that somehow directly or indirectly affects politicians, right? Yeah. So tell me you're a politician without telling me you're a politician. Sell me an agenda with the herdsmen in mind.
Okay.
First off, you're an actor, so I'm not expecting anything less than 100%. Oh yeah.
Do you feel safe right now? No. Do you want to feel safe tomorrow? Yes. Do your parents feel safe right now? No. Do your parents feel safe tomorrow? Yes. So don't vote for me now. I'm not running 2026. When I run, that's tomorrow. If I'm for president.
The issue of security is everybody's issue, and we have taken our time to address it in this film, and we hope you audience would enjoy it like we have already. Even though I am not in the film, but then it is being done by people that I trust with everything in me. Honorable Daniel Etim is in charge of the state of security of the nation. Meanwhile, I want to present to you The Herd, which is the film that you all have to come out and watch, so that we are not only introducing the problem, we are also preferring remodal solution. So come one, come all.
Hey, I should be doing rababa. I should be rababa.
for long. Wanna hold you tight, water for my eyes, but I'll be alright. See, forever. Hey, I say them go finish, them go run it down, them go run it, them go feel it, feel it, feel it. Jesus, them go feel it. All right, Jeezy. I be talking to myself. They don't even notice. Got me feeling like a zombie. She did shock me like a goddess. The way you put your body down, you got me going to leave. I just come down, but I won't see you now. I'll be on the phone, calling you tonight. I want making sure, make me know the vibe. I don't want sleep alone, wanna hold you tight. Won't talk to my eyes, but I'll be alright. See, forever. Hey, I say them go feel it, them go run it down, them go feel it. Hey, them go feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, them go feel it, them go run it down, them go run it. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? So far forward, enjoy for heaven. This thing may happen to anyone. I come from nothing, enter many things. This thing may happen to anyone. I say, oh yeah, yeah. I live the life that I love the life that I live. Tomorrow is not promised, and I live the things that I need. Love is in the air, life is smart. No matter the matter, oh, I've been with you like I say, oh.
Okay, so before I do the call to action and tell us to sell this film, I'd like to pass the mic on to the cast and then the crew to say something, because they are the real McCoys here. They have to speak and say something. But first, I'd like to say a big thank you to my executive producers. They were the ones who first believed. So please put your hands together for Film 1, for Escape Studios, for Serendipity Home Healthcare. Thank you so much. I think FA is here. Thank you. Okay, so this guy right here, I've known him for over 20 years. Okay, since we were in remedials together in FPT Mina. He's one of my, if not the biggest executive producer on this project. So thank you, bro. You want to say something?
I just want to say that it's not been an easy journey, but I'm happy I dared on my friend. I'm happy I dared on his craft. I'm happy I dared on his talents. I want to say something. There's something that a lot of people do not know about him. When we were in university, he formed a group, a drama team in the university, and that got him in trouble with the authorities of the school. That was the crux of his journey into this, into what he is today. And after that, he strived. He went to perfect himself in film school. Why would I look at him?
Hello, what's up?
Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for coming out. I just want to thank every single cast and crew. Every single cast and crew member. You guys made a hard job easy. You made a hard job very easy, and I just want to say thank you. You guys.
Thank you all. Thank you so much for coming out to see this beautiful, beautiful.
Hello to your phone's okay.
Daniel told me about
Drop
it,
your
and
phone
it was
down
just
now.
amazing. And I'm so glad that I'm part of this project. You guys were amazing, my fellow cast members. Like the people who played the kidnappers, they were so good. They were so good. Like I really, yes. Please, let's give them their flowers because they were amazing. Thank you so much. Like Daniel said, it's our time to sell this movie, so please go out, tell people to come and see The Herd. It's showing in cinemas October 17th. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Guys, thank you so much everyone for coming out. Please spread the word about The Herd. Get Nigeria to watch it. This film is about love, it's about togetherness. And look at what we can do if we actually put our minds to it.
Hi guys, thank you so much for believing in us. The Herd is a very beautiful film, and I hope you are going to tell your friends. Go watch The Herd, 17th of October 2025. Please. Thank you. Came all the way from Canada.
Honestly, we did this, but I'm also speechless. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Tell everyone can go and watch The Herd in cinemas nationwide. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. I like the whole energy about the film, but I just want to stand here and say what we just watched is happening in real time. I'm standing here and I want to talk about 2 days ago, my friend reached out to me that her brother, Abdul was kidnapped on his way to Taraba State. As I speak to you, he's in kidnappers' den, and they asked them for a ransom of 10 million, and they're trying to put that together. While we're watching the film, she sent me a message to say we have 8 million, and they say we have to bring it by 2 p.m. on Tuesday. And I am here watching the film, and I don't know, people are going through this thing. There are people in kidnappers' den all over the country, and it's sad. Daniel, everybody who was a part of this film, thank you for telling this story and stories like this. This is happening in real time, guys. It was a great film. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm glad everyone enjoyed the film. I feel privileged to be part of this. I think what I'll say is everyone in this cinema just took a class in Daniel Etim's studio. So, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Anas. But let me speak in Hausa, but I have a lot of people from the north who love this trailer. Don't matter, doesn't matter. When a film is not an only story, it's a real what happened now in the north. Wannan fim din on 17 za mu sake shi da haka kowa da kowa ya je. Thank you so much. I love you all people. Thank you.
Everybody on the 17th, please tell a friend to come out to see The Herd. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for The Herd. Okay, Deyemi is in the building.
Nobody. Should go to score, please, Did
you like the music? My name is Taline and I scored the film, and it's such an honor. And the song that you heard at the end is out tomorrow, so please stream it. But thank you so much to Daniel, thank you so much to my post-production team. It was an honor to be on this project. Thank you.
Production design.
Hello everyone, thank you. Please come out, tell your family and friends to come watch The Herd. On behalf of production design and makeup, we did something beautiful. Thank you.
Writer.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Lani Aishida. I wrote the film. It all started from years ago, sitting at the crossover service, listening to someone that was kidnapped tell his story. And I felt like we can tell these stories on an entertainment platform.
I will just tell more of the stories. I hope you were entertained. I hope you tell someone to come watch it from October 17th so that we can make more movies like this. Thank you.
Are we good, Rocky?
1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you guys so much. The after party's outside. Let's go. Please, if you can phone your phone with the phone, please come pick it up from me. Let's go have a good time at the after party. Thank you all so much.
Everybody hold on. Oh, yeah, can see. Wake up. people, wake up and say, collect the money. Back in the money. Collect the money. Collect the money. October 17. Yeah, I say, collect the money. Collect the money. Collect the money. Collect the money. Hey, oh yeah. Come on, Marijo. 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 Let's okay. Let's okay. Let's okay. Let's okay. Aha! Naso. Ah! No be that. Oh yeah, now. Baby. Hey! No be lie, you. 1, 2, 3, I'll be on the phone. Calling you tonight. I wanna make you sure. Maybe you know the fight. I don't want to sleep alone. Wanna hold you tight. But I'll fool my eyes. But I'll be alright. Forever. Mama Lata. Mama Janta. Mama Janta. I say them go feel it. Them go money now. Them go will it. Them go feel it. Them go money now. Them go feel it. Them go. See, I be talking to myself. Them don't even notice. Got me feeling like a zombie. She did shock me like the goodies. The way you put your body down, you got me falling to leave. I touch your down. But I want to see you now. See, I'll be on the phone. Calling you tonight. I want to make you show. Maybe you know the fight. I don't want to sleep alone. Wanna hold you tight. But I fool my eyes. But I'll be alright. See, forever. Hey, Mama Janta. I say them go finish. Them go money down. Them go money. Them go feel it. Jesus. Them go feel it. Alright. Jeezy. I be talking to myself. They don't even notice. Got me feeling like a zombie. She did shock me like the goodies. The way you put your body down, you got me going to leave. I just was down, but I won't see you now. I'll be on the phone, calling you tonight. I want making sure, make me know the fight. I don't want to sleep alone, wanna hold you tight. But I put my eyes, but I'll be alright. See, forever. Hey, I say them go feel it. Them go money down. Them go feel it. Hey, them go feel it. Them go feel it. Them go money down. Them go feel it. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? So far forward. Enjoy for heaven. This thing may happen to anyone. I come from nothing. Enter many things. This thing may happen to anyone. I say, oh yeah, I live the life that I love. I love the life that I live. Tomorrow is not promised, and I keep the things that I need. Love is in the air, life is mine. No matter the matter, oh, I'll be with you like I say, oh yeah, hallelujah. Till I die. Hallelujah. 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 See, I've been rich till I die. I say, a plan is plan B. Better plan is plan B. Yeah, look. I say, look, oh yeah, I live the life that I love. I love the life that I live. Tomorrow is not promised. I live the things that I need. Love is in the air. Life is fast. No matter the matter, I'll be rich till I die. I say, oh yeah, hallelujah. 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 I'll be rich till I die. Hallelujah. 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 1, 2. I say, what is that Timothy my sorrow? What is that Timothy to still? I need what your love. Yay! On said, don't know moving that you shall be. See, I didn't beg you say make you marry me. They tell me say you know ready or this is the dance man. Come on, get that could take me. Come on, my checking.